equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on handling warranty issues with your LG Gram laptop. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your device is well taken care of. First, let's start with the tools you'll need. For this process, you'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. These tools will help you access the internal components of your laptop safely. Now, before diving into any repairs, it's crucial to check your warranty status. You can do this by visiting the LG website and entering your laptop serial number. If your device is still under warranty, you may be eligible for free repairs. Once you've confirmed your warranty, it's time to prepare for any potential repairs. If you notice any issues, such as overheating or battery problems, it's advisable to perform a professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can identify the exact problem without committing to any repairs just yet. Next, let's discuss how to clean your laptop internally. Start by turning off your device and unplugging it. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust or debris, especially around the fans and vents. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. After cleaning, inspect the battery and connections. If you notice any loose cables or signs of wear, it may be time to replace the battery. Again, if you're unsure, a professional diagnosis can save you time and effort. Once you've completed your internal cleaning and checks, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back panel carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws securely, ensuring they are not over-tightened. Now, let's talk about what to do if your laptop requires repairs. If you need to send your device in, remember to get a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Finally, if you're facing any issues with your LG Gram laptop, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a seamless service with no calls, no travel, ensuring you can get your laptop fixed without any inconvenience. By following these steps, you can maintain your LG Gram laptop effectively and ensure it remains in top condition for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.